At first, people assumed it was a crash caused by millions of users logging in. But as hours turned into days, the silence grew stranger. China, known for quickly releasing space data to outpace NASA, said nothing. Then came the leak. A single raw image from Perseverance's navigation camera escaped the blackout through a backup relay. The timestamp showed 21:33 Martian local time. The image revealed the night horizon of Mars and above it, something hovering. Not a glowing comet, not a blur of light, but a structure. Clean. Defined. Cylindrical. Independent observatories confirmed the object reflected sunlight like polished metal. It measured roughly 46 kilometers long, 12 kilometers wide, and was perfectly symmetrical. Natural comets are irregular, scarred by impact, but this object was flawless. NASA experts suggested it could be motion blur, but that theory collapsed when exposure data showed no trailing or gradient light. The object's glow was steady, sharp, and unnervingly perfect. For months, scientists had already noted how different 3I, ATLAS behaved. It didn't flicker, it didn't outgas, it didn't spin chaotically like other comets. It moved in a straight retrograde orbit at 67 kilometers per second, against the flow of planets. Its surface temperature never changed as it neared the Sun. It wasn't heating up. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb recalculated its reflectivity and confirmed it was unlike any asteroid or comet ever observed. He concluded it was either made of a hyperreflective material that could repel nearly all solar radiation, or it contained a system actively regulating its temperature. Either possibility defied the known laws of physics. Another puzzle emerged: age. Based on trajectory and structure, 3I, ATLAS may have been traveling through interstellar space for tens or even hundreds of millions of years. At such speeds, that should be impossible. Space is full of radiation and high-speed debris that would have scarred or destroyed any natural body. Yet this object was smooth and untouched. As if it wasn't just built to survive the universe, but to ignore it. The cylindrical shape also raised questions. Cylinders are not common in nature, but they are ideal in engineering. They distribute stress evenly, stabilize rotation, and can function as resonant cavities, perfect for amplifying electromagnetic signals. That means this shape might not just be structural. It might be communicative. When orbiters scanned the object, they detected faint oscillations at 1.42 GHz, the hydrogen line. That's not background noise. It's the frequency scientists believe any intelligent civilization would use to communicate. This left two explanations. Either the object was made of an unknown material with extraordinary electromagnetic properties, or it was technological, built to transmit and receive information across light years. The silence of NASA, ESA, and China suddenly felt heavier. Perhaps they weren't hiding evidence. Perhaps they were facing something they didn't know how to explain. What do you tell the world when you realize something ancient is watching? A machine that has been drifting between galaxies for longer than humanity has existed. A vessel built to endure time, radiation, and cosmic storms without decay. The question remains: what exactly hovered near Mars that night? Was it a comet? A probe? Or something far older than we can imagine? And why did the world's most powerful space agencies choose silence,